Stress just overloaded your system? Body tight, mind spinning like a frozen computer? Well, let's fix it. It's time for a reboot. This is the Calm Circuit Reset, 75 seconds to clear your system and restore your calm. Breathe with me. Phase 1, clear. In through your nose, a small extra sip, and a long exhale like fogging up a mirror. Again. That double sigh hits your vagus nerve. Heart drops 8 beats in 12 seconds. Stanford proved it. Shoulders release and tension logs off. Phase 2, aware. With your eyes soft, name one thing you see, one you feel, and one you hear. What do you see? The mug, the light, your phone. Feel, seat, fabric, floor. Hear, hum, breath, clock. Brain runs its scans, no threat detected, vision widens, and your system is back online. Phase 3, bland. 3 slow exhales. Whisper with me, easy, and your jaw melts. Steady. Shoulders drop and chest softens. Here. Your body lands, feel it all the way to your feet. Those cues flood oxytocin, calm installs like a new code. Phase 4, moment. Reboot complete. Fresh desktop. Clear mind. Run this 3 times today, and soon your body auto-updates on command.